I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 and verse 13. And welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA, but your girl is back with another wig installation video. So this unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with NadulaHair company. So the wig came in this box right here along with some goodies as well. So a bit about this unit. This is their 13x4 lace frontal kinky curly unit in the density of 130%. This unit is super thick for 130%, and I'm loving it. How it's giving volume, how it's giving voluptuous. I am definitely loving this unit. So this unit has a good sufficient amount of parting space, so you can rock a middle part or you can rock a side part, whichever one you prefer. And I decided to do a side part. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous voluptuous kinky curly unit from NadulaHair company, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into the installation process. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with NadulaHair company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 24-inch kinky curly 13x4 lace frontal unit. So inside of the box, along with the wig, I also received some goodies as well. I received a pair of eyelashes along with some cute pink hair clips. I also received a pair of stocking cap, a head scarf along with their Nadula handbag, as well as their Nadula robe. So inside of the box, the wig came in this cute little Nadula pouch. Inside of the bag, I also received a adjustable Velcro straps along with another pair of stocking cap. So a bit about this wig. This is their 13x4 130% density kinky curly unit. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this wig. It has two combs on each sides of the wig. It also has a comb to the back along with adjustable straps, so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So I went ahead to dye the hair jet black, and I also bleached it. So let's jump right into the installation process of this kinky curly unit from NadulaHair. The wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with NadulaHair company. It came with this cute little robe as well. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is their 24-inch kinky curly unit. So this is the unit right here, and it's a 13x4 deep parting space gel. I already went ahead to do my ball cap. So to tint the lace, per usual, I'm using my Black Radiance True Contour palette, and this is a light to medium, and I'm going to be using the darkest shade to tint the lace on this. And I'm going in with my handy dandy Got to Be Blast Free spray, and I'm just gonna spray it. And this unit is a 130% density, you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to cut the lace off around my air tap area. Then I'm just gonna begin the install. So I'm going in right now. So I'm gonna be using my Kiss Almighty glue today. I'm going to be doing 2 layers of this. So once I'm done applying both layers of my Kiss Almighty glue, I'm just blending everything out with the end of my rat tail comb, and I'm going over that with my blow dryer. And once the glue is tacky, it's time for me to pull the lace into the glue, and I'm just taking my fingers just to push the lace into the glue to make sure everything is secure. So to further mount my lace, I'm going in with my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz, and I've been using this for a while and the hold is extremely good, you guys. It's actually better than when I use my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. So to melt everything together, I'm using my Velcro Nadula hairband. So once the lace has been melted, I'm just going in with my cuticle scissors just to cut off the extra lace. So once the lace is cut off, I'm going in with my Black Opal foundation in the shade Carob, and what I normally do, I just put it into the roots of the unit. So I'm going to be using my Fantasia Super Hold Spritz just to put to the front portion of the hair. Australian beeswax, and I'm just gonna lay the back portion. Of my Fantana spritz. So by using the spritz, it holds your hair into place without leaving any sort of flake like the Got To Be spray. So I prefer to just use this to hold everything in the direction I want it. So to lay my edges today, I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk. This is my holy grail. So I'm just using the Gorilla Snot just to swoop my baby hairs in the direction I want them to go. And once I'm done doing that, I go over that with my Fantana holding spritz, and those are the two products that I'm going to be using today to complete my baby hair look. So once I'm completed laying my edges, I'm going over with my thermal hot comb just to make sure the top portion of this wig is as sleek as possible. And it's 130% density, and I'm telling you guys, this wig is thick. And to set everything in place, I'm going back over with my Fantasia spritz just to set everything in place. So I did went in with some water and my VO5 conditioner just to damp the hair a bit. So I'm using my diffuser just to diffuse the curls on this unit. So I'm going in with my ISO Plus hairspray. So now I'm going in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to define the parting space on this unit a bit more. So that sums up the installation process of this 24-inch kinky curly unit from NadulaHair Company, you guys. So this is the end result of my 24-inch kinky curly install from NadulaHair Company. For a woman of color, this unit is definitely bomb and it's definitely giving. So a bit about this unit: this is their 13x4 24-inch kinky curly unit in the density of 130%. And on their hair side, they have a wide variety of lengths that you can purchase from. So I went ahead to get the 24 inches, and this unit retails for $202.70 on their NadulaHair website. I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code. So for their back to school promotion, you can save some money off of this kinky curly unit. And for more like natural hair vibe, I went ahead to dye this wig jet black because me and curly wigs jet black are best friends. I am not a fan of like the brown color wigs, so I always go ahead to dye my wigs before I install them. Everything I'm definitely feeling this kinky curly unit from NadulaHair Company. Again, I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can save some money off of your purchase for back to school promotion. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.